Hey guys, it's Tornado. So today I'm going to show you guys my slime collection. So these are not for sale, it's just kind of my personal collection. I'm going to show you some of my favorites and some that aren't that good. So just keep watching the video to see the slimes that I have. So the first slime that I have is called Blue Milk. It's a very thick, jiggly slime, and I have a cutting board down right now, but it gets really stuck to the cutting board, so I'm not going to put it on there. But it's a very stretchy, thick slime, and I really like it. It's a pale blue, and again, it's based off of Peachy Baby slime. It's called Blue Milk. So, yeah. Hope you guys like the slime so much. Okay. The next one that we have is, I didn't really name it, but I really like this slime. I don't know if it's really one of my favorites, but I really like it. It's like a putty slime. It's made out of clear glue, and it has sprinkles in it, but it bled to make it like a really pretty mauve color. It doesn't really look like that anymore. But trust me, it is mauve. And I'm not gonna put it on the cutting board because I got it stuck to it once and didn't really want to work with me. It's very stretchy. Again, it's kind of like a putty texture, but I don't know. I really like it, and I think it's a very unique texture for a slime. And the next slime that I have is a bubbly slime, and it's a blue color, again, like Blue Milk. It's just more of like a purpley color. And this is a very, like, thin cream cheese slime. It's a fluffy slime, but I think the texture is definitely like a cream cheese slime. And sorry if that's what bothers me. It's very thick. Why did I say thick when I just said thin? It's very thin, but it's also thick for a slime. It's thin for cream cheese slime, but it's thick for like a fluffy slime. If you get it. And it has micro beads in it. There's like very little, so I wouldn't even call it foam. I just call it like fluffy / cream cheese slime. But there's like 15 in it, if you want to say. But the drizzle for this slime is, like, I really like it. I don't know. I think it's a nice texture, and I just really like it. And of course, the next slime is a Floam. It's called Confetti Floam, and it has some blue glitter in it. It's a baby pink base, and it has rainbow Floam beads in it. This is one of my favorite slimes. I know I have like 3 favorites, but it's so stretchy. It's like awesome. It's a good size. I'd say it's a good like 5 ounces. And the drizzle is good, the swirl is good, the poke is good. I just, again, don't want to put it on the cutting board to poke it, but it's awesome. And here, I'll do a swirl on my hand for you guys. I'll just get this out of the way. So this will be the swirl. It's not really good because it's not a tabletop, but yeah, I really like this slime, and I think it is one of my favorite slimes. And the next slime that I have is a full Floam. It has some little glitters in it, if I can find one. I don't know if you can see it, but it has like, you can't see it because of the lighting, but it has like pink glitters in it, which I really like. And this is a little stuffed for a Floam, but it's still like stretchy, but it does take a lot of muscle power, so get those muscles. The swirl is pretty good. I don't think this one will get stuck to the cutting board, so I'll just try and swirl it for you guys. And then I'll pause it and make a cube. So it takes a lot of time to make a perfect cube. Nope, never mind. Doesn't swirl that good. So I'll just make a cube, and which seems like 1 second, but it's really going to take like a minute, but you know. So this is my cube. The stretch is pretty good, and again, I don't know if I said this, but it's called a bubble gum. So yeah, I really like this slime. And there's one last slime, so I'll just go from here. This slime I hate. I think it's so bad. Oh my god, that just fell. Sorry if there's any background noises, but the flown beads fall out because the slime was overactivated, so like you see, like it's terrible. But it's so pretty. I love the color, and I love the beads. But again, like, look at it, it's just terrible. Like, there's no poke, there's nothing to it. But it's called Spring is Sprouting if you want to know. I'll just pause it. So I really hope you liked these slimes. Of course, they aren't the best. Some I got from a friend, some I made. But I really love the slimes, and I hope you did too. If you are interested in me making a slime shop, then comment down below, and also like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. So, I'll try and subscribe anyone who subscribed to me back, but I can't really tell who subscribed to my channel or not, so I don't think I'll be able to, but I'll try. If I don't take it to offense, but you know, I'll try. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video, and please smash that like button. I'll see you in my next video.